Cruella doesn't ever hold her signature cigarette holder where the green smoke came up, remember from the cartoon? Well, it turns out Emma wanted to do that to complete her look, but it's not allowed by Disney. Back in 2015, Disney made the decision not to portray smoking on screen in films marketed towards youth that are rated G, PG, or PG-13.
Y102. Hey, forget cheesy number one dad mugs or silly ties.
Oh, well, look at that. Another mug.
$1,000 this Father's Day, so he can do whatever he wants. Go to Y102.com now to win Father's Day cash. LeVan Machine and Truck Equipment, now celebrating their 85th anniversary. LeVan Machine and Truck Equipment is your one-stop shop for work truck and van equipment, service and repair, manufacturing and repair machining, and drive-on services.